And we are tracking the storm from every angle tonight. Let's get right to meteorologist Evelyn Taft. Olga Ospina also joining in the Weather Center. Ev.
All right, Juan. Well, we're going to get right to satellite radar and take a look at exactly where the storm is right now, where it's heaviest, and what we're expecting in the next little bit. Olga's going to have a little more on that. So let's take a closer look. This is sort of a big picture of our radar, and you're going to see a lot of yellow and a lot of orange. Yellow and orange always indicate heavier rain. So right now, Hilary is making its way through parts of Riverside County and moving up into San Bernardino County. What I want to do for you right here is I'm going to actually stop the radar and show you exactly where the storm is right now. So this is a 3-hour loop. We're going to stop it, show you exactly where the cells are. So bear with me right here. Palm Springs is now starting to get hit. We're looking at 45-mile-per-hour winds in the area. And take a look right here. Yellow and orange on your screen in the mountains. You're seeing right here, yes indeed, yellow and orange, meaning very heavy rain right there north of the 10. Now we're going to take it up to Running Springs and Crestline. Let's take a closer look at what's happening here. Now Arrowhead into Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, we're looking at very heavy rain, orange on your screen, so we could see very high rain rates, very treacherous commute. So we really advise everybody to stay off the roads tonight. Of course, as we take you right over here, a little more yellow and green showing up closer to Laverne. We're seeing some very heavy rain, and up in the mountain and foothill areas as well. We're looking at a lot of yellow and orange up the 39 into Cedar Springs. Wrightwood projected to get 7 to 10 inches of rain initially. At this point, we're still watching, but we have gotten 3 to 4, even 5 inches of rain. Now, the high desert, this is where we're expecting a lot of rain. We could get a year's worth of rain just in these 24 hours. And Lake Los Angeles getting hit right now with some of the heaviest rain, yellow on your screen right there. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and show you exactly what we're expecting as we head over to the San Fernando Valley. More rain over the next few hours, and really the next 2-3 hours we're going to continue to see moderate to heavy rain. Moving over to Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Calabasas, as we get a little closer, you will see from Agora to Calabasas, we're looking at very heavy rain into Encino, Reseda, Canoga Park, Panorama City. Take a look right there, orange on your screen. North Hills into Mission Hills, looking at downpours at the moment. I do want to take a closer look at what's happening in Malibu and along the Ventura County coastline as well. Take a look at this huge cell that's just sitting offshore, and we're continuing to track it. Everything moving to the northeast right now, and it looks like we could get very heavy rain, more heavy rain in Westlake in the next 27 minutes or so. So really looking at heavy showers at the moment to just again, downpours as we head into the next little bit. We are expecting to see that rain really stay with us as we head into the next 2 to 3 hours. We're going to continue to track it for you as well. And I will tell you, we're going to see a lot of wind over the next couple of hours as well. This is the peak of the event. It's going to go until about 10 p.m., maybe even midnight. And with that, our Olga Ospina is going to show us exactly what to expect in the hours ahead. Olga.
Yeah, hi, Evelyn. And we're looking at that very heavy rain, as you mentioned, right now. So the flooding, the strong, dangerous winds, that is really the big concern right now, and it will continue to be as we head into the coming hours. So as we put this futurecast into motion, you'll notice that we still continue to see very heavy rain through the Ventura County area. As we head into the LA area, though, we do see some pockets of drier conditions, and that will continue to be the case as we head into the overnight hours and into the early part of Monday. But look at this, streaming moisture from the south, looking at very heavy rain still at 11:30 tonight out through Ventura and into parts of Frazier Park. Still the Antelope Valley seeing some heavy rain. We have already seen an excess of 5 inches of rain for parts of the Antelope Valley, and we still have several more hours to go of these heavy downpours. Monday, 1:45 a.m., still the overnight hours, looking at some pockets of very dangerous heavy rain. And then by the early part of tomorrow, a lot of us are actually going to be experiencing some drier conditions. 7:15 in the morning. Look at this. As you wake up on Monday, some dry conditions for some of us, but still some pockets of wet weather out through the San Gabriel Valley into Ventura County. Look at Frazier Park. If you travel through the I-5, still seeing some impacts there. And of course, still across the deserts as well for places like the Coachella Valley. into the high deserts. Monday, 10:30 in the morning, a lot of us seeing much calmer conditions, just some light rain out through parts of LA and Ventura, and then continuing to dry out as we head into early afternoon of Monday. A little bit of cloud cover, but some of us will actually see some sunshine tomorrow. So we're starting to see some breaks as we head into the next several hours, but still through tonight, we continue with the peak of the storm. Once this is all said and done, of course, those higher elevations seeing the greatest amounts of rain. For the mountains, that means 6 to 10 inches once this is all said and done. For other areas, we could be talking 3, 4, 5 inches. The issue with this is we've had so much rain in a very short amount of time. So that is going to really bring an increase in danger of flash flooding. We actually still have flash flood warnings in place for a lot of areas. The totals so far as of 6 o'clock this evening, nearly 6 inches in Leona Valley, Lake Palmdale and Saugus at nearly 5 inches of rain. We're at 3.5 inches in Newhall, Northridge at just about 2.5, and we're nearing 2 inches of rain in downtown Los Angeles. And again, we continue with the peak of the rain as we continue still for the next several hours. So still much more rain is expected with us. Tropical Storm Hilary, 50-mile-per-hour winds, and you can see that the core of Hilary currently over Southern California. That's why we're getting the peak rain right now. As we head into Monday, that storm continues to push to the north, and already by Monday late morning, it is into places like Nevada. So we'll continue to see that storm weaken, at least for Southern California, as we head into the overnight hours and into Monday. But we'll continue updating you. I'll show you the 7-day forecast as well in just a few minutes. Back to you guys.
Monday can't come soon enough, Olga.
Yep.